Is AI going to take over the world? Will it steal your job? Or is it just another tool we're overreacting to? Artificial intelligence is everywhere right now. It's in your phone, your social media feed, customer service chats, even in cybersecurity software. But with all the hype comes one big question. Is AI actually dangerous? Well, let's break it down simply and honestly. Before we talk about danger, we need to understand what AI actually is. AI isn't a robot with feelings or secret intention. It's software trained on massive amounts of data to recognize patterns, make predictions, and automate tasks. When Netflix suggests a show, when your phone autocorrects a word, when fraud detection blocks a suspicious payment, that is AI at work. It's powerful, but power doesn't automatically mean danger. A lot of fear around AI comes from movies and headlines. We picture super intelligent machines making decisions without human control. And while advanced AI systems are becoming more capable, they still operate within the rules, data, and boundaries set by humans. The real risks aren't robots taking over, the real risks are how humans use AI. Let's talk about actual concerns. First, misinformation. AI can generate text, images, and videos that look incredibly real. Deepfakes and AI-generated scams are becoming more convincing, which makes it harder to tell what's real online. Second, privacy. AI systems rely on data. A lot of it. If that data isn't handled responsibly, it can lead to misuse, surveillance concerns, or breaches. Third, automation and jobs. AI can replace repetitive tasks that can increase efficiency, but it can also disrupt industries and force workers to adapt quickly. And finally, cybersecurity threats. Hackers are now using AI to automate phishing emails, crack weak passwords faster, and scan for vulnerabilities at scale. So, have you noticed something? None of these risks involve AI deciding to harm us. They involve people using powerful tools in harmful ways. Think about when the internet first became mainstream. People said it would destroy society. Instead, it changed society. It created new risks, yes, scams, privacy issues, cybercrime, but it also created new protections, new industries, and new opportunities. AI is similar. It amplifies both good and bad. So the question isn't, is AI dangerous? The better question is, are we managing AI responsibly? AI is already protecting people in powerful ways. It detects fraud before money leaves your account. It blocks malware before it infects your device. It filters spam and phishing emails automatically. And it helps doctors diagnose diseases earlier. In cybersecurity, AI is used to identify threats in real time, often faster than any human being could. So, while AI can be used in attacks, it's also one of our strongest defenses. So instead of worrying about sci-fi scenarios, focus on practical risks. Be cautious of AI-generated scams. Verify information before sharing it. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Keep your devices updated. Technology evolves, and so should our awareness. AI isn't something happening in the future. It's already here. The key is learning how to live with it safely. So, is AI dangerous? AI itself isn't inherently dangerous. It's a tool, like electricity, like the internet, like social media. The real danger lies in misuse, lack of regulation, and people not understanding how it works. But the more informed we are, the less scary it becomes. If this helped you see AI more clearly, hit like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, do you think AI is more helpful or more harmful? See you in the next one, and as always, stay safe out there.